question we are asking everyone, like, what has been Eastern Railway's contribution towards your chess career or your life?
Yeah, I joined Eastern Railways not long ago. I think it's been 2 years or even less. Yeah, Eastern Railway has supported me in all sorts of ways possible, financially. Also, I can freely practice my chess along with like playing tournaments, getting league for tournaments. So it has been a great support, and hopefully I can deliver good performances with their support.
Yeah, I've been part of Eastern Railways for the last 3 years, and yeah, it feels nice to be a part of. And thankfully, I've been in 330 days SCL, and yeah, I get to play all the tournaments I want, and they support me for. And also the financial stability is something which the railways gives me, and with, like the next month I don't have to think about rent, yeah, so that helps.
It has been around 7 years for me in railways, and they have been very supportive to play. They have a fixed leaves to play in events and leaves to play in foreign events. So they are very. I get it in time, and they are very helpful, and I can approach them anytime through any means. They are always available.
Ever since joining like 2.5 years ago. One thing is that I could play more freely without like worrying too much about like prize money and things like that, and it definitely helped me to improve my performance a lot in Indian events most likely. Only problem sometimes I have to face is I cannot make like decisions to play abroad that quickly. Like it has to be well planned out because of like certain formalities here and there. So that's a kind of a downside. But other than that, like everything has been like great for me so far.
So I'm basically from Andhra Pradesh, and then I settled in Hyderabad. So I wanted to join in South Central first, Hyderabad, but things were not easy back then when I was joining in 2016, I presume. Then Tej Kumar is my very good friend and brother sort of figure for me. He asked me if I'm interested to apply in Southwestern, that is Karnataka zone. I was happy because I was looking for something for security. And to be very honest, I think Southwestern Railway, from what I have heard from other zones, there are some problems for availing the leave and stuff, but I did not have any problem at all. Thanks to my department and my officers, I have had no problem at all in availing the leaves that we get and other things. So I am very happy. And also Railways, I think, is the only organization apart from oil companies to keep on recruiting talented players. It's very important for someone in India to have a secure job, and Railways is providing that. Plus they give at least 120 days a year to play tournaments that we like, and if you are in top 10 and you are lucky, you will get the full year leave. I think most of at least chess players know that. Yeah, so it's good in Railways now. Yes, I can say that.
It is like, you know, like when this offer came from Metro Rail, like they are recruiting some player, like my parents forced me to, like almost like they said every player needed a financial backup, like almost. And also I think I am thankful to Indian Railways and Metro Rail Authority. Like they supported me, like they give all the leaves I wanted. So they allowed me to play like a tournament like whole year. So it's good. Like I'm very thankful to my office and my department also. Like they are very helpful. And like I think almost like usually like here in Inter Railway, like almost 70% of the Indian title players are playing here actually today. So though it is a unrated event, but it is like one of the strongest event in India. Like many strongest, interesting games and all. So it's interesting.
I joined Railways in 2025 March this year itself, and they have been supportive. I enjoyed this tournament this time. I met a lot of friends, and yeah, the team tournament, the environment was really good. We discussed how to improve in a lot of important things, and yeah, overall I had a good tournament, and the tournament was well organized in Kolkata. Thanks.
It was actually quite good. First of all, there is the security, financial security. Assistant government is a central government job. So apart from that, the Eastern Railway team is very good with Diptan, Aronek, Argadeep Bhai, Subhajit sir, and Narendam Bhai, Pradeep Bhai. Everyone is there. So, they help you a lot when you are down there, when you have a bad tournaments. They contribute a lot. They help you a lot. You get to practice with them and learn and improve. I'll tell that here, like our crucial round against Southeastern, I was preparing something, and then Diptan came and he told me to check some ideas. It could be there today, and coincidentally, my opponent played that idea, but I was well prepared, which I was not aware of. So that kind of turned the game into my favor, and I won that game, which in the end helped the team to win that round and win the championship.
When I joined until here, Southeastern Railway has always helped me. So whenever I want to play tournaments, they will be giving SCA before time, and sometimes we will be getting ACL for camps also, previous to some important tournaments. So in that way, Southeastern Railway has been doing a very good job, and in all the sports, not only in chess, they are in the thought of sports is it has to come up in all the disciplines, and the president and secretary of SWRSA are also taking a lot of initiative and measures to see that the railway players from Southwestern Railway perform well at national and international level.
Actually, what I'll say, it's just in every corner, in every hook and nook, they're everywhere. From office point of view, or from sparing, from half day sparing, from any office related anything, they are parents. Without their umbrella type thing, we are nothing. So I am very thankful to have this Eastern Railway Sports Association. Every member, every officer, every secretary, we have that. It is wonderful to have them.
Okay, actually since 2005 I am working in Eastern Railway. 2005 first time when I joined, that time Eastern Railway won the championship. In 2007 I joined, I played there, again we won the championship. So 2 times after that, I think 2021 we won. In between there was a long gap. Even I was also not in the Eastern Railway team for some 6-7 years, because I was working in the Mumbai and I was busy for my personal career to become Grandmaster. So after that, okay, I completed that, and again I rejoined, and okay, now we are very happy. So 2005 and 7 we won the tournament, and this time we won the tournament. So overall it is a very good journey actually, and Eastern Railway is very supportive. They give a lot of I think sponsorships and give and all kind of support to all players, and I wish many good strong players will join this tournament again and again. I wish them all the very best.
They were very truly supportive, and the guidance and mentorship which I had under the influence of Shri T.J. Suresh Kumar, and also under the able guidance of ICF Sports Association and my own section people who I'm working with, we have very pleasant memories. And financially it proved to be after I joined Integral Coach Factory, both financially and emotionally, it was very helpful for me to win many prolific. I was a prolific winner of many tournaments, mainly because of my appointment in Indian Railways Integral Coach Factory. So it is about security. It's a feeling of security. That's all. And rather than playing alone for myself, I'm playing for an organization that gives me a boost of confidence and boosted my moral, and the unflinching support offered by ICF Sports Association, and it was really very. It helped me to prove my mettle, helped me prove my true worth. So mainly I'm playing for an organization. I'm not playing alone. So literally it has boosted my moral.
Railway is a bit supportive. They gave leave for tournaments. Whenever we are at tournaments, we apply for leave. They sanction it. So basically, we got a lot of support from Railways.
Thank you very much, Deepta. Arnav, Nilesh, CSG, Sayantan, Ayush, Siddhant, Tej, Naguri, Shaptosh, Lakshman, Shaptosh, for a valuable time. I wish you all the best for World Cup as well as future endeavors.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, CSG India.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shahid. Thank you, Chess India. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.